Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is June 7, 2016, and today is Tuesday morning. Looking at the economic calendar today, just one major number coming out. Actually came out of the Australian dollar. That's RBS. We'll look at that just shortly. But before we do, let's look at the Euro USD and let's see what's going on in the markets. Yesterday it was relatively a quiet day after this colossal move we had last week. Sold off a little bit, and we're just tapering off right now. I'd like to see it to sustain this this rally. Is it because the dollar is getting weaker, or is it because the euro is getting stronger? It's hard to really say between the Euro USD because there's so many issues between the both of them. So looking at the Euro USD, just flatlining right here. Also the gold flatline. But looking at the Aussie USD this morning, big rally, some positive news coming out of the Aussie, as you can see here, and we're breaking up higher. This was a beautiful place to pick it up at 0.72. We mentioned this actually last week, that we came into this line, but we didn't really breach it at 72. Now we're trading at 0.743, which is a nice 200 pip move on the upside. So not a bad move there. Looking at the Dow Jones breaking out higher, 17,940 yesterday. We just blew it off and just kept on going higher yesterday in the market. So, you know, we broke the 17,880. We're at this level, 1790. The next level up is 18,000. Let's see if we break through it and get back to our all-time highs. I don't see really how we're going to do this because the stocks are not breaking higher, but the futures are breaking higher. So that's always a red flag or a flag, okay, to see maybe the stocks will catch up with the index, or the index is just, you know, being shoved up and then will subsequently be sold off later. So it's really hard to say at this point because, you know, some of the bellwethers are not, you know, flying much higher, and maybe there's a rotation of the bellwethers. Maybe there are new bellwethers that are coming into place, like Facebook and Amazon and some of these others that are taking over the traditional bellwethers like Intel and Cisco. So, you know, that we'll have to keep an eye on to see how that actually fluctuates. Looking at the Canadian dollar, USD Canadian dollar, we're right here at the threshold. So it's going to be kind of interesting to see how this unfolds. So relatively, just to recap, a quiet day yesterday in the markets, except for some of the indices, we traded well. Oils also, you know, didn't do much yesterday in the 20-cent range. So, you know, let's see if things actually start picking up as we continue the week and enter, which is the end of the second quarter. So just keep in mind that there are a lot of expirations this month, so you're going to have to be really on top of it to see where and when the specific symbol that you're trading is being expired. So this is Fred Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.